Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Chris the Frugal Audiophile with you again for another unboxing. This is the second DAC in our 3 DAC unboxings here. And this is the JDSLabs Element 2, I do believe. And so this is their least expensive DAC. And it actually, I thought that this was going to be a box inside of a box, and it kind of is, but it kind of isn't. And I'll show you that here. Because first we have this little box here, very nicely packed, double boxed nonetheless for that one. And this is going to be our power supply. This sucker is heavy, man. Sounds like an old school power supply, but this thing is a chunk here. Surprised they used something quite so large, but there's the power supply. Maybe they're inexpensive. What else we got in here? Cable. Ooh, and in a Ziploc. That's cool. So here's your USB A to C. We'll see which end plugs into where on the DAC when we get it out. But that's that cable. This is a decently nice, kind of silicone covered cable. I've certainly seen worse for a packing cable, so that's nice. See anything else? The last box in this box. And this is fairly ordinary, just kind of, I don't know, mundane unboxing here. I'm guessing that keeps the price down. Ugh. Sorry, I didn't mean to shake you there. Here is the DAC itself. And the cool thing about this new one is that it is actually made out of metal. I have not seen or touched the original, but this one does feel nice and heavy. Heavier than the SMSL you may have just seen me unboxing. Paperwork stowed away. It is bigger. So here we have our back panel with power, optical. Looks like, is that USB-A? Looks like you have USB-C on the back panel here, and this is a USB-A connection. I'm guessing that you could use a USB-C to C cable if you needed to. Now that'd be kind of helpful for me on my desktop. But it is USB-C on the back of the Element DAC here, along with, of course, your optical. Don't see a coaxial, so that's what you got. The purpose for which I will be using these, it doesn't matter if it has coax. There you see is the front. I believe this ring lights up. Power button clicks in. I don't see an input select. Man, that's what this switch is on the back. It probably is. I can't see it right now, but yeah, that is the Element 2, I believe, DAC. And so this is a nice looking DAC. I really like this thing. Hopefully it'll sound good. Now this was around $130 shipped to my door from JDSLabs. So a little more expensive than the SMSL SU1, but still not outrageous for a nice metallic DAC. We'll see how it sounds. Stay tuned for a video on that. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like this kind of content, please be sure to check out Patreon and buy me a cup of coffee.